Hi, dear students, and welcome to Massey's World, where we learn a fun, easy English together. So let's get started. Alex, Daisy, and Max are going to the cinema today to watch Inside Out 2. It's Daisy's favorite movie. Max has invited his friend to join them. They are waiting in line to buy popcorn and soda. Let's see who the new friend is. Do you want a big popcorn or a small one, Daisy? A small one, please. Reagan, over here. This is Reagan, everyone. What's up, guys? Reagan is a software developer. She is 25. Nice to meet you, Reagan. We need to get going. The movie is about to start. Hi, everyone. My name is Reagan. I'm 25 years old. I'm a software developer. I'm not interested in shopping so much, but I am interested in hiking and playing video games. Anyways, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Reagan. Informal ways to say hi. There are many ways to say hello or hi. If you are talking to your friend, you can say, "What's up?" What's up? What's up? What is up? What's up? What's new? What's new? Sometimes you may hear people saying, "What's up?" What's up? Or, "What's up?" What's up? It's the same thing. All of them are, "What's up?" How are you doing? How are you doing? It means, how are you? Repeat after me. How are you doing? How are you doing?
How you doing?
Joey in Friends says, "How you doing? How you doing?" He says it in a fun way, but it's the same thing. How are you doing? Hey, how's it going? How's it going? How is it going? Now faster. How's it going? It means, how's everything? How is everything? Now faster. How's everything? Hey, how's it going? How's everything? Hey, how have you been? How have you been? How have you been? But if you say it faster, how have you been? How have you been? If you haven't seen your friend for a long time, maybe you were busy or he or she was busy, and you haven't talked to each other very much, but then you see each other, you can say, "Hey, look who it is. Long time no see." Hey, look who it is. Long time no see. Long time no see. Formal ways to say hello. If you're not talking to your friend and you are, let's say, at a hotel, at work, at the university, and you want to talk formally, you can start the conversation by saying, "Good morning." Good morning. From here, good, not good, good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. You get up in the morning and you go to work. You see your boss and you say, "Good morning." Good morning. It's afternoon. It's after 12 p.m. and you go to the university. You're in the canteen and you see your professor. You say, "Good afternoon." Good afternoon. Then it's 5 p.m. and you go back to your hotel and you see the receptionist. You say, "Good evening." Good evening. You see your girlfriend's father for the first time. Ooh, scary. So you want to be formal. You say, "How do you do?" How do you do? How do you do? Or sometimes you can say, "How do you do, sir?" They also say that. "How do you do, sir?" You go to an event and the speaker says, "Greetings, ladies and gentlemen." Greetings. Greetings. It means hello, but in a formal way. Greetings. Informal ways of saying goodbye. Have a good one. Have a good one. Repeat after me. Have a good one. Very good. This means to have a good day, a good evening, a good afternoon, etc. Have a good one. Or have a good day. Have a good day. Catch you later. Catch you later. Catch you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Or simply later. Later. Or laters. You can also say that. Laters. Try to pronounce everything from here. Here. L. L. Later. The. L. The. R. Later. Later. Laters. See you around. See you around. See you around. Around. This one is interesting because it gives you a feeling that we are going to see each other in the future. See you around. Or simply, see ya. See you. See ya. Smell you later. Smell you later. Smell. Smell. Not smell. Smell. This one is a bit goofy and fun. Smell you later. Because smell is, this is smell. When you smell something. Smell you later. You can smell a flower. And my favorite one, take care. Take care. This one has a kind, protective feeling. Take care of yourself. Take care. Last one, peace out. Peace out. I have heard mostly teenage boys saying this. It's very cool. Peace out. Formal ways of saying goodbye. The first one, good night. Good night. Be careful. For hello, we can say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. But only for goodbye, we can say good night. Good day. Good day. We can use good day for both hello and goodbye. But mostly I have heard that they use it for goodbye. So, good day. Daisy's favorite cartoon is Jelly Jam. Alex's favorite car is Dodge Durango Hellcat. Max's favorite TV series is House of the Dragon. And Reagan's favorite video game is Counter-Strike. Favorite. Favorite. Try to answer these questions out loud in full sentences. Or you can just type them for me in the comments. What is your favorite car? What is your partner's favorite movie? Who is your mom's favorite singer? What is your friend's favorite video game? What is your friend's favorite hobby? Your answers could start like this. My favorite car is. His favorite movie is. Her favorite hobby is. And then continue. If you want to practice a little bit more, I have some homework for you. Take a piece of paper and write a short conversation between our 4 friends, Max, Alex, Daisy, and Reagan. You can also type them for me in the comments so that I can correct them for you. Have a great time, stay awesome, and see you soon. Bye-bye!